welcome to another video of Google Cloud Arcade Labs in which we will be solving managing deployments using Kubernetes engine. अब हम पहले start lab करेंगे. First of all, इसमें हमें setup and requirements में जाके ये बात ध्यान देनी है कि हमें सबसे पहले zone set करना होगा, जिसके लिए सबसे पहले हम इसे incognito विंडो में खोलेंगे. Alright, now अब हम Cloud Shell को start करेंगे. Authorize. As you can see, थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है इसको लोड होने में, तब तक हम आगे की इंस्ट्रक्शंस पढ़ लेते हैं. सो फर्स्ट हमें जोन सेट करना है एंड हमें कुछ सैंपल कोड भी रन करने हैं, जैसे कि as you can see running container deployment and creating a cluster with 3 nodes. All right, so the cloud shell has started, so we will start with lab. Now सबसे पहले हम अपना जो जोन है वो सेटअप करेंगे इस कमांड से. हमारा जोन सेट हो चुका है तो हम फर्स्ट स्टेप की तरफ चले जाएंगे. सबसे पहले हम सैंपल कोड क्रिएट करेंगे. ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट हम एक क्लस्टर क्रिएट करेंगे विथ 3 nodes. And it will take some time. तब तक हम फिर से एक बार नेक्स्ट स्टेप्स देख लेते हैं. We will wait for it to complete. You can skip this part. and the cluster has been created. Now on to the next step. We will first learn about the deployment project. And then we will run this command, and then we will run this command. Now on to the task 2, we will run this command. In this, as we can see this file, we have to first create our own deployment object using this command. And it has been created. Now we have to verify that it was created. Alright, we have to wait till we get 3 out of 3 here. Alright, as it is now ready, we will be running the next command. Now we will run this command. Alright, we missed this one to get the pods for the deployment. Alright, all of them are running. Now we will run this command. We have to wait till this external IP is again visible. Then we have to put it inside this. For that, we will be using a Windows notepad and we'll attach the IP here. And the external IP is here. So we will now copy this external IP from here carefully and replace the external IP region with it. Now we will copy this and run this command here, and we got it, as you can see. Now we will run this command and we got it again. Now let's check, and yes, the task has been completed. Now it's time to scale the deployment. We will run this command, then we will run this command. Next we will run this command. Next we will run this command. Now for task 3 we will run this command. Now here we have to make some changes as said in the lab instructions. We have to find this line and change it to this. So we will copy this line, the one that we have to change. Now we will come here and find that line. And here we found it. Now we will go here and To edit this file, we can press I. From here, we can just remove this line from here and paste the line that we were told to. For that, we will come back here. It will be this. As you can see, to save and close the editor, we can do it by doing this. First, escape, WQ, and it's done. We will run this command and we will see it here. It's not ready yet, so we'll wait for it. We can also see a new entry in the rollout history by using this command. But first, we have to get this one right. All right then. Now we will be using this command. Now we will run this command to pause the rollout, and it has been paused. Next, we will run this command, and next we will run this command. Now to get out of the loop, we have to do Control C. Now we will resume it using this command, and then we will run this command. Now we will run this command, and now we will run this command, and our task 3 will be over. Okay, so on to the task 4, we have to run this command. Now in this file, to create a canary development, and it has been created. Now to see the list, let's verify this using this command. And it's done. We will to Control C to exit, and then we'll check our progress, and it has been completed. Now for task 5, we will run this command, we will run this command. Next, we will run this command. And we will keep running all these commands in their order. We already ran this command, so we should be running this one instead. Alright, so our task is now completed. Once again, before ending the lab, we will check if we have completed the whole lab without missing any. Check my progress. And yes, we have already completed. Now we will just end the lab and move on to the next one.